Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect pluggable database instance free PDB1 from SQL Plus in Oracle database 23C, which is running in Oracle Linux box. Okay, so first what I am going to do, so I am going to Oracle home directory. Let me go to Oracle home directory, that is where Oracle is installed. So Oracle installed /opt Oracle product 23C DB home free. So this is the home for Oracle database 23C. Okay. So under that network directory, under that admin, okay, under that admin directory, I am opening tnsnames.ora file. So I am going to edit the tnsnames.ora file. So let me open an editor. So here you can see already their own configuration. So I have copied that and I am going to modify that configuration. So I am naming as free PDB1. So free PDB1. So I have created a new service free PD1 in tnsnames.ora. Save it. Save it and exit. Now what I am going to do, I am going to open terminal. So far Oracle database is not yet started. So Oracle database was shut down. So what I am going to do, I have logged in as SQL Plus /access DBA, which means that I am connected to idle instance and started the database. So database is opened. Next step, what I am going to do, I am going to start the Oracle listener. So this Oracle listener is the main part. So this will pick up the tnsname.ora file. Okay, so everything is fine now. I didn't see any errors. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to connect sysdba in free pluggable PDB1 account. Okay, so sysdba at free PDB1. Sys free PDB1 as sysdba syntax. Provide the password. Yes, now I can able to connect to free PDB1 pluggable database instance directly from SQL Plus. So make sure that you have modified in tnsnames.ora file